Hello friends, welcome to Civil Engineering Mastery. Today we are going to introduce new concept in our channel, that is we are going to discuss few house plans which is very simple and easy to follow according to Vastu. So let's see today 25 by 52 house plan. It is north facing. First let me show you the ground floor plan. The site size is 25 by 52 feet north facing and built up area is 860 square feet. So whenever you get the plan, you have to check for these things like how much is the build up area and whether the directions of the site is mentioned or not. These things are all very important. You have to check whether these things are available in your drawing. Now let's see the drawing. So here first we have the car porch, car portico, and main door is here. When we enter the main road, we have living room, and then it is a staircase, and in the middle portion, like it is a duplex house, no, so it is a double high duplex house of here, so that is why the dining is provided here. And kitchen, next here one toilet is there, and this is a open kitchen, and here there is a space provided to access the bedroom puja. So this is puja room, and here is the master bedroom, and this is the utility. So from utility we have access to go outside, like we have one door here, so we can access here because 8 feet open space we have for gardening or for other utility purpose. So we have the access from here to go outside. Next let's see the dimensions. Let's check the portico dimensions. It is 10 feet 6 inches by 14 feet. 10 feet 6 inches by 14 feet. Next coming to the living area. Living is 11 feet by 10 feet 11 inches. It is almost a square. 11 by 11 is there. So it is quite nice space. And next dining. Dining we have 5 feet 5 by 5 we have here, but we can adjust because since this is a open space, we can next coming to the kitchen. 7 feet 2 inches by, till the fridge we can measure, it is 12 feet 6 inches. So till here we can keep the kitchen, and it is a open kitchen, and this is little bit of open area. Next coming to the toilet, it is 5 feet 6 inches and 4 feet 6 inches. 5 feet 6 inches by 4 feet 6 inches. And then puja 4 feet 8 inches by 3 feet 6 inches. So whatever I am measuring, it is all inner dimensions excluding wall thickness. So outer wall thickness is 9 inches. You can see here 9 inches. And then partition wall is 4.5 inches. Next let's measure the utility. It is 4 feet 8 inches by 7 feet 2 inches. Next coming to the bedroom, 13 feet 6 inches by 11 feet. So all room dimensions we know now. Next let's see the opening areas. So front side we have 5 feet opening, and then east side we have 3 feet opening, and west side we have 2 feet. Back side 8 feet opening is there, so which is for utility purpose or garden purpose. And next let's check for the ventilation. So friends, this is very important. You have to be very careful whenever you get a plan. You should check thoroughly that whether proper ventilation is provided for the entire house or not. Here if you see, window 1 and window 2 are provided for living room, So this is the cross ventilation. So whatever the air circulated here, that can pass through this window and this window as well. So always you should remember that whatever the rooms, it should be proper, it should get the proper sunlight as well as the air circulation. Next, let's see for kitchen. Kitchen also two windows are provided, and in the staircase area we have two windows, and in the open space also we have one window, and for toilet ventilator is provided, and then for utility one window is there, and for bedroom also two windows are provided. So this is it should be ventilated, whatever the room we have, so it should be properly ventilated to get the sunlight, proper sunlight and air circulation. Next, let me show you the first floor plan. So in the first floor plan we have one family room and then one bedroom with attached toilet, and we have a balcony, and this side we have open to sky like terrace. So family room is 11 feet 1 inches by 10 feet. Next bedroom is 14 feet 9 inches by 10 feet 5 inches. Toilet size is 4 feet by 5 feet 11 inches. Balcony 6 feet 9 inch by 14 feet is there. So these are all the dimensions of the rooms in the first floor. So we have a nice open area here, open to sky area. We can make it as a like we can keep it as a play area or a garden area. We can plan something in this open area. And here also let's check the ventilation. So here in bedroom we have here one window and here one window. For toilet ventilator is there, and bedroom we have another one big window here also in the balcony side, so that the ventilation will be proper, like air circulation will be proper. And for family room also we have one window here. So this first floor built up area is 575. So totally ground floor 860 plus 575 is the total build up area of this plan. So this is ground floor plan and first floor plan. So friends, I hope you all like this plan, and if you have any comments, please do comment in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe this channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.